You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is k greater than 38/7 greater than 53/7. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the k. Divide both sides by -7. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is k greater than 38/7 greater than 53/7.